In this video, I'm going to be showing guys how you can automatically update apps on iPhone. If you don't want to manually update apps, you can easily set that to automatic updates. Like it will start updating without you doing anything. Like any app that needs an update, it will be updated automatically without you updating manually, like I said. Now the first thing guys you need to do is to click on open your settings. After that you want to scroll down a little bit and click on App Store. Now after guys you click on App Store, you will find here two different options. You want to click on App Updates. Okay, click on App Updates, and now and after that you want to enable or toggle on apps too. Now, if you have iPad, if you have iPad and they have the same ID on your iPhone and your iPad, then the same thing will happen to your iPad too. Like that's why you have two different options here: apps and app updates. You can toggle this on both of them. Toggle this all on. If you don't have other devices, don't worry, just toggle these two on and you will be able to automatically update apps on your iPhone whenever they need an update. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.